Salam sejahtera dan selamat kembali ke WPS presentation video tutorial ini. Sekarang kita akan teruskan ke modul 6 iaitu Advanced Presentation Task. Okay, di sini kadang-kala kamu mungkin ada satu presentation di mana maybe if Miri, you have information about Miri, kamu tidak mau bagi tahu kucing tahu kah, atau maybe Sri Aman there's a different data you want to show. Okay, you can actually sebenarnya buat customize. Maksudnya, let's say I'm using this one is Japan. Okay, this is 18 slides. Okay, so let's say my first 3 slides ini 1, 2, 3 is normally the introduction. Okay, then 4, 5, 6 is normally may say for kucing, and then 7, 8, 9 is let's say Sri Aman punya, 10, 11, 12 maybe for Miri, and then from 13 onwards up to 18. Okay, this is saya punya ending lah. So how do we go about doing that? So first thing first is kita pergi ke slideshow, and then go to custom show. Okay, and then again go to new. So remember our first 3 slides add. Okay, and then for kucing one is 1, 4, 5, 6 add, and then from 13 until 18, that's it. Okay, so this is I say kucing punya data. And then if I say I want Sri Aman, again is 1, 2, 3 add. Now 4, 5, 6 is not right, 7 sampai 9. Okay, you just add saja, and then from 13 onwards then add. So again, let's say one more, let's say it's Miri show. So 1, 2, 3 add. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to 12 is dia punya data, and then 13 to 18. Okay. Now, so here I can actually choose the let's say kucing. Let's say I want to show kucing. So I just show kucing, and then dia akan go and show the 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then this is 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, and then this is the page from page 12 tadi punya itu. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this is the last slide. Okay, now next I want to show maybe Sri Aman punya, and then I press show. Again, the first 3 memang ada. Okay, but this one is already using a different slides already lah. So you can see now it's a different data here. Okay, but then come to this one is Ultraman, I think. Yeah, then come to Doraemon with the pintu suka hati lagi. That is the ending. And then last but not least, we're going to show Miri show, and then we click on show. Again, 1, 2, 3. This is the first, second, and then this is the third slide. Okay, and then we go to the next one. This is the 4th Miri one. This 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 10th slide. Remember the Ultraman tadi? All this actually sebenarnya how you can actually customize your show. Now some of you may wonder why not I can just like actually sebenarnya I can actually hide, right? I can actually right click on it and then hide slide. Actually there's nothing wrong with this, but sometimes you might lupa atau apa. The best way to go is always go for custom show. Okay, so that's pretty much about it for custom slideshow. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.